Alright. Hello! Remember me? The last video I did was some Goku toys. This time I really didn't get no Goku toys. They didn't come out yet. But this one I have a Iron Man. So we're going to unbox this today. And let's get started. And here we have the Iron Man. Here we have my Iron Man. Yay. Let's take this thing out with the boxes. Here the figure is. Here's the look of the figure. I'll give you a little circle around. I'll show you some poses. Or you can actually look, you can put in this pose. Iron Man, maybe. Ding. And what else we have is what is this? What is this for? I really don't know what this is going to be for. Wait, I think it goes on his hand. Yeah. I don't think so. Wait, does this go on his hand? Wait. I'm confused. Wait, is this supposed to go right here? Wait, this is what you're supposed to do? Dad, go back to the box. Let's see what this goes at. We're after that, and I just hoard the whole thing, so we can't really look at it. Yeah, so let's see what it goes at. So what is one holding? Where it goes? Oh, I had to go do something. Give me a second. Where it goes at? Where? Oh, and if we have before I reach Mrs. I Infinity Stone where I gotta go put this. Alright, I'm just gonna show you a figure, but something's happening right now. Put it on. And so we're gonna talk about some stuff. Please, I'm begging you, please subscribe to my channel. I'm the starter. I only made 2 videos in one day, so. And now we have, hello again. Camera fell off. Daddy, the camera. Cameraman. Thank you, cameraman.
Edit that out. I'm gonna edit that out.
Okay. Alright. Here we have Iron Man. Here I call an Iron Gun. Here I call an Iron Man who has no hands. I already thought you could take the arm off and you put this on. Or no. No. You suits it. You know what I mean? Hey, look. 2 guns. Pew. One going up. Alright, thank you, cameraman. No, you don't have that part out. Just your name, cameraman. Thank you, cameraman. Now, up in there. Dead. Oh. Alright. This video, I might make a toy video about my toys and play with them. I might do that. But I don't know. Well, I find out what I'm going to do for this video. Before we leave, let's look at the toy. Alright, bye. Say that over. Bye. Alright. I'm just gonna keep.